camera, set, action.
I'm a boy, but my name's Eddie.
My name is Hapa Shaba Ba 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 Lada Ding Dong, and this is our home.
This is Mark.
Hi, Mark.
And I'm Rebecca.
Okay, Rebecca. No one really cares. Hey, focus on me. Me. The camera loves me, and I love the camera. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm a bobblehead.
We're going out. So...
I've never seen an elephant bigger than a dinosaur before. Ha, 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 ha.
What's up, guys?
My bad.
I just to go down the elevator.
No, he's going up the elevator. Oh,
10 minutes later.
10 minutes later. Oh my god, hi. Everyone says I'm really feminine, but I'm not. I like popcorn.
Okay, I'm done.
I like popcorn. I like popcorn.
I'm about to go to the grocery store. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Okay, bye. I like oh shit. 2 hours later. I just got up from a mass concussion.
I saw tape.
It's bigger than you.
I'm gonna go show it to my beautiful boyfriend.
Take the elevator. I'll get it for you.
Oh my god, what's going on here? It's not what it looks like.
Honey, no.
Oh my god, I didn't know you were gay.
I didn't know anybody here was gay.
And that's how everybody died.
Nobody died. No.
Well, she went suicide in the bathtub.
With the watermelon next to her side. Because she's a watermelon.
No!
You did it to yourself, you idiot.
I never want to talk to you again, Eddie. You stupid mag.
Get off his head. He can't breathe. He's my friend, you know. Jesus.
No.
Get off of him.
Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna go weep.
Fatty 2x4 in the front door. So I guess this is how the story ends.
I guess that's it. Bye.
Oh, that was very, very
Bye.
nice. You little girl, you pansy.
Bye.
Why don't you just go to a flower shop or something?
Bye.
Flower shop, girlfriend. Okay.